how much should you actually spend on a warning emergency strobe light bar? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, ASPL 29.5 Strobe Light Bar. The ASPL 29.5 Emergency Strobe Light Bar caught my attention right away with its high-intensity 54 LED setup and a price tag of $69.99. If you want maximum visibility while working on the road, this is worth a serious look. This light is all about super visibility. The unique LED arrangement has a total of 12 groups, ensuring you can warn other drivers from all angles. Plus, with 26 flashing modes, you can easily switch patterns to fit your needs at the flick of a switch. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're on a construction site or dealing with emergencies, you need something that commands attention, and this bar does just that. Now, some people complained about the installation process, saying it was a bit cumbersome. But here's the thing. Once you get the hang of the magnetic base, it's actually quite quick to set up without damaging your vehicle. If you're someone who needs a reliable warning light, this is perfect for you. Skip this one if you only need something for occasional use. But if you're serious about safety on the job, the ASPL light is a solid investment for $69.99. Now, if that price tag seemed high for you, the next one is a more budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. Product number 2, ASPL 48 LED Mini Strobe Light Bar. Next up, we have the ASPL 48 LED Mini Strobe Light Bar, which is priced at a wallet-friendly $29.99. This compact choice caught my eye because of its impressive performance ratings and positive reviews. If you're looking for something effective without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. That means you're getting a warning light that's not only bright but also durable. The 16 different patterns will keep your visibility versatile, which is perfect if you're working in different scenarios. With a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, this light is built to last, ensuring you won't need to replace it anytime soon. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With the weatherproof features, you won't have to worry about rain or dust ruining your investment. But some users mentioned that the magnets weren't as strong as they expected. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're driving at high speeds, that could be a concern. But for most urban settings or lower speeds, it should hold just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable light for occasional use at an affordable price. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty for constant use, but at $29.99, it's a great value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a compact design. Product number 3, H-Lotto 1002L Emergency Strobe Light. The H-Lotto 1002L Emergency Strobe Traffic Advisor Light Bar comes in at just $19.99, making it one of the most affordable options on our list. Honestly, its compact size and practicality make it a standout. If you want something budget-friendly that still performs, this is worth a serious look. It features 26 flashing patterns, and the last memory function allows you to return to your most used setting easily. Given its IP67 waterproof rating, it can withstand harsh weather, and the aluminum finish provides solid durability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're using it on a construction vehicle or during roadside emergencies, you need something that won't falter. However, some buyers found the suction cups to be less effective than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're mounting it on a flat, clean surface, it works like a charm. But if you're on a bumpy road, you might need to double-check the attachment. This is perfect for you if you need a good light for occasional use at a great price. Skip this if you require something that's built for heavy-duty applications, but at $19.99, it's a steal. Now, if you want something that's a bit larger and more powerful, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 4, ASPL Amber Strobe Light Bar. Coming in next is the ASPL upgraded 48 LED Amber Strobe Light Bar, also priced at $29.99. This one has a strong reputation with a high user rating, so I had to include it. If you want a solid performer without spending a fortune, this is worth a serious look. It's designed to maximize light output and has excellent waterproof performance. With 16 flash patterns, you can quickly switch modes to fit your needs. The memory function remembers your last used setting, which is a fantastic convenience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. In emergency scenarios, having a light that's bright and easily adjustable can make all the difference. However, some users noted issues with the durability of the magnets. Look, here's the thing. While the magnets are strong enough for most situations, if you're driving off-road frequently, you might want to consider other mounting options. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and visible light for frequent use. Skip this if you require something extremely rugged, but for $29.99, it's a great choice. Alright, let's wrap things up with a powerful light that really packs a punch. Product number 5, LINKITOM LED Strobe Light Bar. Finally, we have the LINKITOM LED Strobe Flashing Light Bar at $46.99. This one stood out to me because of its intense brightness and user-friendly features. If maximum visibility is your priority, this is worth a serious look. Its durable aluminum housing makes it lightweight yet strong, ensuring it can withstand harsh conditions. With 7 different flash modes, you can easily select the one that fits your situation best. Here's why this matters for you specifically. For emergency responders, being seen from every angle is crucial for safety. However, I've seen a few complaints about the installation process. Some users found it a bit tricky. Now here's the thing. Once you get past the initial setup, it's actually quite straightforward and secure. This is perfect for you if you need a heavy-duty light that can handle tough conditions. Skip this if you're looking for something budget-friendly, but at $46.99, it's a solid investment for safety. So to wrap it up, we've covered a range of options from the powerful ASPL 29.5 strobe light bar to the budget-friendly H-Lotto 1002L. Each has its strengths and weaknesses depending on your needs. Whether you're looking for maximum visibility, affordability, or durability, there's something here for everyone.